In the Caribbean, access to quality healthcare can be a challenge, especially in remote areas and because of erratic weather conditions. But thanks to the Smart Healthcare Facilities in the Caribbean project, funded by UKaid and implemented by PAHO WHO, many health centres have been retrofitted to make them more resilient.
The UK financed this programme and our implementing partner was PAHO. And this is part of our global work in terms of climate change and improving resilience across the world, and particularly in the Caribbean, which we know is particularly vulnerable to many climate challenges, whether it be flooding or hurricanes. And so across the Caribbean, this Smart Hospital Initiative has been going on over the last few years.
In Guyana, one of the 5 facilities that is being retrofitted to meet the SMART parameters is the Health Centre at Paramakatoi, a small indigenous community in the Pacaraima Mountains in the Potaro-Siparuni region of Guyana. PAHO WHO was the implementing agency.
The work that we do in PAHO will not end in just endorsing back these facilities. No, our focus now shifts into allowing or reinforcing the capacities of centers like this to offer the essential health package of services that the ministry has developed so that it can give better healthcare, relevant and good quality healthcare to its people.
The retrofitting of the Paramakatoi facility faced some particular challenges.
When this project went to tender in the initial phases, there were no responses from the public. The Guyana Defense Force was then approached to play a part, and we gladly accepted. We have spent lots of our resources to make this project a reality, not because we've been contracted, but because the Guyana Defense Force really is a partner in national development. There were many challenges as we went along. There were times when our aircrafts had to be deployed elsewhere, and we could not have gotten the priority flights that we wanted. But after some time, I must say I'm very happy that we are at the stage where we can commission this building and hand it back over to the residents of Paramakatoi.
The Smart Health Project is just one part of a larger effort to improve healthcare access and outcomes across the region. From upgrading facilities to training healthcare workers, the project is helping to build a more resilient and responsive healthcare system.
It was a job well done. We are quite happy with the work that was done here, and it will certainly improve people's access to healthcare here in Paramakatoi. But now that the building is completed, we'll do a lot of equipping of the facility so that extended care can be provided.
Well, not only community as in Paramakatoi, but we have other catchment areas, and mostly this health facility would have been like a referral where other smaller health facilities would have referred patients over here. So it's going to benefit most of the people in the north because, for example, we have Red Creek Mountain Foot, Bamboo Creek, Tusene, we even get patients from Taruka.
This is a shining example of how healthcare facilities can be made safe, sustainable, and resilient. With the upgrades made under the project, the health centre is now better equipped to provide quality healthcare services to Paramakatoi and surrounding communities.